Hi, I'm John Scott, Senior Product Manager for Adhesives at Laticrete. I'd like to take a moment to tell you about our newest lightweight high-performance adhesive, Laticrete Trilite Rapid. This is a rapid curing adhesive so you can grout in 3 to 4 hours. It is also lightweight and sand-free. You can use Laticrete Trilite Rapid for large and heavy tile, thin bed and wall or vertical installations. It also meets ANSI A11815, which is the highest ANSI standard for a cementitious thin set. With its high bond strength, non-sag performance, and versatility, this can truly be your go-to rapid adhesive for most any installation. It is a lightweight product, so it's approximately half the weight of a traditional thin set. That means it's easier on your joints, specifically your knees and your back, and is formulated without sand. So it contains no respirable crystalline silica above the OSHA action level. These features are indicative of Laticrete's commitment to providing products that not only perform well, but also promote the long-term health and safety of installers. This is an issue that we take very seriously, and it's why Laticrete developed Project Safety, a company-wide initiative to bring you both health and safety information as well as safer products. To learn more about Trilite Rapid and all of our Laticrete adhesives, please visit laticrete.com.